Hi, my name's Toby and my company, The Language Partnership, specialises in coaching and business communication. Today I'd just like to give you an insight into our in-company business communication workshops. Now these are designed to allow you to make quick and powerful changes and improvements to how you communicate in business English. For example, imagine you're just anxious and unsure about the quality of emails that you're sending to customers and external contacts. You have a feeling that the professionalism is not quite there, the precision is not quite there in terms of the quality of emails that you're sending to your customers, for example. This is where we would come in. I would come in and speak to you and get a feeling for what you think the issues might be and what are the requirements and the needs when writing professional emails to customers for your team, for your company. And then I design a set of workshops. An example might be 3 1.5-hour workshops might be sufficient to really make substantial changes in the language, the precision, the cultural awareness, the sense of formality that underpins your email writing. We believe this is a great way of making transformations and how you communicate, as opposed to, for example, a very slow moving journey where you have a classic English class maybe once a week over 30 or 40 sessions that aren't really focusing in on what you want to change and what you want to make real improvements in. So if this sounds interesting to you, then please get in contact with me, toby@top.lu, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. I look forward to hearing from you and I wish you a good day. Goodbye.